Align North Plains specializes in highly automated manufacturing of complex components and assemblies. We serve a wide range in industries, starting with aerospace, defense, energy, semiconductor, and optics. Just outside Portland, our North Plains facility was founded in 1992. Tremendous growth was achieved over the past 30-plus years, with a new facility expansion and significant investments in automated cell manufacturing. We have a very strong and capable engineering team specializing in design for manufacturability for high production machining applications. North Plains is a very scalable manufacturing platform, starting with prototype through high volume production, including Copy Exact. We have invested heavily in high-density cellular machining, supporting high-volume machining, including lights-out production.